Hello and welcome back to Grabbing the Headlines. And today I'd like to speak to you about these things behind me. Well, not exactly these ones. Did you know that there's in excess of 10 plants that are native to the UK that are everywhere that can kill? Some of which can kill you within 3 hours. Well, I'm going to list them off for you, and hopefully everyone can learn, take something from it, and help protect the children and the pets. Here we go. Now, first off, we have giant hogweed. Now, this plant can grow to 5 meters tall. Its sap causes burning. If it contacts your skin, you want to cover your skin straight away. Do not let the sun get to it, and get yourself straight to hospital. It really is that serious. It's got purple on the stems as a bit of a sign for you to be aware. There's a couple of these plants and they tend to have this purpling, mottling colour on the stems. Now that's your cue to be on your caution. And yeah, definitely cover the skin straight away, because the ultraviolet rays of the sun will make this burning worse, and get yourself to hospital, as I said, because it can be very damaging. Now the next plant on the list is lethal. It can kill you in 3 hours. It's called hemlock or dropwort. It literally is that serious. It can kill in 3 hours, and there's no cure. So you need your wits about you. You take your kids for walks in the fields and in the woods. Keep your eyes out. Don't always allow them to just go running off into the bushes or the trees, because it is everywhere, and it's dangerous. There's also a separate breed of this hemlock, which is also everywhere, can kill you in 3 hours, and it's got purple on the stems, just like the giant hogweed. In fact, Socrates was killed by it. It poisoned him, and on his deathbed, people that were with him were reporting of him expressing feelings of euphoria. So it got into his system and affected him, and did some pretty mad stuff to him before killing him. So yeah, be careful. Now, fourth on the list is wolfsbane aconite, and this one, its leaves are toxic on contact. You only have to touch its leaves. If this stuff is ingested or gets into a cut, then it can be curtains. So obviously know what to look for. Okay, number 5 on the list is euphorbia. It's a common garden plant, also known as spurge. There's plenty of varieties, including sun and wood. This plant can cause really bad burns. The sap is extremely caustic. So tell your kids not to go breaking stems on plants that they don't know what they are, because this will burn them. It's not a nice plant at all. Now, number 6 on the list, actually, it's surprising. I didn't know this myself. Not that I knew anything about the others, and that's why I'm talking to you lot. Foxglove. This stuff's really dangerous, and I had no idea, and actually played in amongst it as a kid in the fields. But what the foxglove can do is actually, it's like an inhibitor. It gets between the brain and the heart. The messages from the brain can be interrupted, and the important messages, the ones that tell your heart to beat. So obviously, keep the kids away from foxglove and your pets. Now, here we've got arum cuckoo plant. If ingested, it can block the pores in your kidneys. So obviously, that would cause major complications. So that one's, you've got to keep your eye on that one. Dog's mercury. Do not ingest this stuff. This is nasty, and it's in woodlands everywhere. By ingest, I know nobody just walks up to plant. Well, not everybody walks up to plants, picks them and puts them in the mouth. But it's very easy for a child to just run the fingers through the leaves, pull a couple of leaves off, and then 10 minutes later have a sandwich, and they can ingest it that way. And this stuff can be really dangerous too. And number 9 on the list is Atropa belladonna, also known as deadly nightshade. It's a purple flower with yellow sort of mixed in amongst it, and they grow like blackberries, just little berries that are like deep purple black colour, and they are poisonous and they can kill. Now, a lot of people will have heard of ragwort. This has a yellow flower and can be absorbed through touch alone. It's everywhere, and it's a danger to children especially, as well as animals and livestock. And there you go, top 10. I hope you found this video interesting and informative. Please like, subscribe, smash the bell icon so that you keep up to date with all our latest content, and I'll speak to you all soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose.